Hello viewers, we are taking this opportunity to introduce Kanota Camp, a beautiful nature resort in Jaipur, the Pink City. Towards its east, just behind the mountains on Jaipur-Agra highway, lies an old village called Kanota, where we are located. To reach there, drive from Transport Nagar through Sisodia Rani Garden and move towards Galta, and then turn right towards Jamdoli village and through the forest area head directly towards Sumail Road till you hit the signboard of Kanota Camp, and would like to welcome you at Kanota Camp, a beautiful nature resort in the neighborhood of Jaipur. Just 7 kilometers from Transport Nagar, this beautiful place is the most scenic place of Jaipur, where overlooking Kanota Dam, 15 bighas of resort area has a waterfront of about 4,000 feet. It is going to be the most happening place of Jaipur, as we are creating multi-dimensional activities suitable for all walks of life. Being a nature lover's dream, it has all possible aspects to give you great solace and relaxation in the lap of Mother Nature. We can divide this entire resort in two parts. This part is a huge open garden and is an ideal place for picnics, big corporate events, weddings, and theme parties. In this part of the resort, we will be having lots of recreational activities for all age groups. It is a great place for fishing and bird watching. During the winter season, this is a paradise for bird watching, as thousands of local and migratory birds visit this dam and remain here till end of March. The resort has 7 entrance gates and a very large parking area, good for almost 500 vehicles. We have a small swimming pool for kids and a large infinity pool for the residents. We will have 2 multi-cuisine restaurants serving you local and international delicacies. Our barbecue parties will surely be talk of the town. As far as accommodation is concerned, we are focusing on themes close to nature, that is lake-facing jungle cottages, luxury royal tents, Swiss cottages, and tree houses. Gentlemen, now we are standing on the other side of the dam, from where our resort looks as you see in the video. Between these mountains, there is a beautiful undisturbed jungle, good for a nice nature walk in the morning. Please note that we are commencing our business journey very shortly, and in the end, we are taking this opportunity to invite you to visit this beautiful resort and enjoy the pristine nature so close to Pink City. Thanking you for watching this video. Bye bye and have a good time. Thanks.